My name is Chuck Dewald, and I come here today to talk to you about this 200 max dehumidifier that Phoenix has out. Actually, their new one is the 250 pint dehumidifier. I have always been in love with their 200 pint dehumidifier, the max, and the reason is that it was 7.5 amps, and at the high end it pulled a lot of water. At AHAM, it pulled 128 pints, and at the low ends, what I really liked about the Max was it got the grains of moisture in my drying chamber lower than any dehumidifier that I've ever tested. So, to me, when it comes to drying, there's not another dehumidifier that dries better than the 200 Max. So, in saying that, Phoenix came to me, which I appreciate, and showed me the new unit. They wanted to upgrade and do some different things. So they came out with the 250 max, 250 pint max. So to me, before they could change, they had to make it as good, if not better, in drying in pints per kilowatt as the 200 max. So I have they've sent it to me several months ago. I have played with it quite a bit, and what I found out is the percentage of pints per kilowatt, it does the same thing. On the high end, it pulls a lot of water. At AHAM, it actually pulls a few more pints than the 200 max. At the low end, not quite as good as the max, but here's what you need to know. All the way through the process, it pulls the same pints per kilowatt, which is what I'm looking for. Guys, what dries a structure is not at 80-60. What dries a structure is where you set the temperature at the first of the job to pull out the most water. Then you lower the temperature when there's not as much moisture in the air. How does that dehumidifier work in that range? And then to get the vapor pressure low, you want to pull the temperature down, which pulls the grains of moisture. So how does that dehumidifier work in there? There again, I could care less about what color this is or everybody else's color. What I want for you is how does that dehumidifier dry the structure? Just want to tell you that this 250 is a thumbs up with me. So.